Hello, good evening everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install virtualbox and what is the utilization of the virtualbox. Nowadays virtualbox VMware is an application that can run a PC into your system virtually. So how can you install or download that software? Okay, so we start from the Google virtualbox download. You can go with the first link. Yeah, so that is the virtualbox software listed. That if you Linux host, you can click that. If you the Solaris host, you can click that. And now I have Windows 10, so I install the Windows 10. So that's Windows host. So I already have in that. I already have that software. This is your Oracle VM VirtualBox. It's absolutely free. You can download and install from the internet. Yes, it will take 1 minute, less than a 1 minute. So start. Now I go to the new and I want to install the Linux 64-bit. bit 18.04. That is the memory size I mentioned for the virtual machine. Create a hard disk VDI fixed size. I want that 15. Okay, so you can change the path. So I don't want to change, it is on the C drive, so you can change to any drive on your PC. Okay, so I just create. It's creating the virtual hard disk. almost ready. Yeah, now that PC Ubuntu 18.0 for the virtual machine is ready. I just going to show you how to install that operating system. So I have an ISO file in 18 point, oh sorry, that is the server desktop. Okay, so now if I go to the start, the PC started. Yeah, now I can choose that I try or install that Ubuntu. So you can install or try. So the main thing is the virtual machine is ready. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and please comment and like and share my video. If any query related with the virtual box, you can comment out in my videos. Thank you for so much.